the left side of the screen you see the interface of Tirona where you can upload your imaging study, and on the right side of the screen you find the COVID-19 reporting template of Smart Reporting. In this template you can make selections either manually or automatically. If you make manual selections, then you can simply do this by clicking on the affected lobe, for example, in interactive graphical elements. However, when it comes to a further quantification of those findings, for example determining the severity score or determining the percentage of affected area, you can see that this can be quite a time-consuming task. So you want this step to be automated, and I will show you how. Upload your investigational image study, make sure it's DICOM formatted, click on Open, and then you can see a preview of your imaging study. Make sure to label it so you can find it again. I will call this study 1 and give it a hashtag, and I confirm that the uploaded data does not contain any personal information. Click on Add Study to Analysis and Report. You get a confirmation and you will find your study in the list on the Analysis and Report tab. As you can see, the current status of the study that I just submitted is that it's being run and that it's being processed. So in preparation for this demo, I already processed the same imaging study and we will have a look at the results now. So let's have a look at the results of Tirona. The original CT is being displayed, and next to it there is an overlay that shows you the lobar severity of the suspicious findings for each of the lobes. On the left side you can see the overall CT assessment with a severity score and the percentage of affected areas, and you have further information on all of the different lung lobes in the table down here. And if you click on Send to Smart Reporting, those informations are being automatically injected in the AI support tab of the COVID-19 report. So all of the affected lung lobes are being automatically selected, and the further quantification is being automatically taken over to your report. Feel free to edit the report. For example, I will delete the section emphysema volume since this patient had no emphysema. Now you can proceed with your report. For example, you can make your decision if this is a typical appearance. I will select that there are peripheral bilateral ground glass opacities and that there are multifocal ground glass opacities of rounded morphology. And I will make my overall rating saying this is a typical appearance of COVID-19, and I can decide if I want to insert other findings or if I want to add other classification systems. Now, on the report text side, you see that there's already an automated impression section that was being generated. This is basically linked to the selection which you already did underneath the findings section. If you want to report further things, for example, say that this patient had no pleural effusion and that there was no pneumothorax, then you can simply do that. You can also add certain informations by simply typing into the report or dictating, depending on the integration. Now click on Export, and the report text is copied to your clipboard, and you can use it in your usual reporting software.